Welcome to another tutorial on leadership through Peopleistic. My name is Gary De Rodriguez, and I am CEO of the Peopleistic office here in Dallas, Texas. One of the most important beliefs around leadership is the idea that the map is not the territory, which means that simply that as my version of reality, it seems so absolutely concrete truth to me, because I have a whole series of different experiences and evidences from those experiences and beliefs that I've developed from those experiences, that the way I see the world is absolutely true and real. What I also have to realize is that other people have a very different view, different experiences, and different beliefs generated from those experiences that will cause them to see the world differently. This is why my map of reality is not necessarily reality, but is the best thing that I've been able to make up so far. So in a team dynamic, it becomes extraordinarily important to realize that our map of reality is not necessarily the truth. It is our version of the truth. All team members, to make a high-performing functional team, must understand this one important factor, that being able to be within a team dynamic, we learn to build bridges to mutual understanding between our collective differences, therefore adding talents and perspectives to a particular problem that can then be seen from multiple angles that gives us the best possible solution. This is why having multiple perspectives and multiple ways of viewing a particular issue will bring the greatest solution to the sustainability of an organization. The next great belief around leadership that all great leaders would be served to have, or at least investigate or explore the benefits of, is that the meaning of the communication is in the response that you get, which simply means that when you start looking at, when you're in communication and the communication begins to go less than professional, it turns into a difficult conversation. You have to begin to start looking at, am I going to be the most flexible one within this system? And am I going to take this communication and understand that I have responsibility to communicate in a different way, to work through the filters of how that person has perceived my communication? This is about leadership, accountability, and being responsible for the results of your communication. When you take that level of leadership in your conversations, you will begin to start ramping up your ability to influence. We have to remember that relationships is what builds our success. And the quality of a relationship is based upon the quality of the conversation. We're going to come back in just a few moments with another tutorial and some more great beliefs on how to empower your own inner self leader.